Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Mary P. Alegria. I am 29 years old. I'm single mother of one daughter girl. I'm Roman Catholic. I'm high school graduate. I have working experience in Saudi Arabia from 2024 to 2026. But unfortunately, I break my contract because I was fighting by a cat and was not vaccinated by my employer. So I decided to go back in the Philippines.
Okay, but you have experience here in the Philippines, right?
Yes,
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper here in the Philippines.
for in the Philippines. More than 2 years.
More than 2 years. How many members of the family do you serve?
Three. Uh,
Okay. And other household chores that you do?
yes.
You do all the household chores. Okay, so since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, I know.
you know how to prepare or do you have an idea how to prepare a meal
I
for a baby?
yes.
Because you have a children, right?
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Um, check the temperature and try to feed the baby. And then I check the diaper may be full.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
Call the mother, my
Uh,
employer.
Okay, and what will you tell to your employer?
What, sir? I cannot hear you.
Okay, what will you tell to the employer if the baby won't stop to cry? Then you call your employer. What will you say to your employer?
Is crime?
Yes, that's the right thing you should do. You have to ask the employer what to do to the baby because the baby won't stop to cry, right?
Yes.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong because big salary and not far in the Philippines. It's good all people I think, and
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years more than
So it is
depends
okay,
my
depends on your
employer.
employer. So it is okay to you to be extended, right?
Yes,
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food?
no, but I try my best, and then YouTube, and
Okay.
then book
Cooking
book.
books.
Yes,
You could also ask your madam and sir if they could teach you how to prepare if you got an employer in Hong Kong so that you could learn, right? And
yes,
also, if your employer prepared some food for themselves, you would also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right?
yes,
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
yes,
It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
yes,
How about sharing room with kids?
yes,
It is okay to you to color your hair into black.
yes,
How about cutting your hair into short?
yes,
Taking care of elderly.
yes.
Taking care of pets. This is okay with
Yes,
you?
it's okay for me.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, if you choose me, I promise I'll do my best, and and, and all I respect your country.
Okay. Can you also follow the rules and regulations of their house? And
Yes,
also will take good care of their children as your own?
yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, sweet Mary. Thank you.
Okay.